Good morning, students. I hope you all of will watch the video regarding exercise 2.2. Today we will do the remaining questions of exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2, question number second and third. Yesterday we have done the question number first. Today we will try to do second and third questions. Now let us start. First question, 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Making their factors with the help of making their factors. Now here coefficient is 4, here coefficient is 1, constant term is 1. So 4 1s are 4. We want two digits whose multiplication is 4. In rough work, you can check. 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4. We have two pairs whose multiplication is 4. But in addition, we want multiplication 4 and we want two digits in such a way whose addition and either subtraction is equal to minus 4. So 1 plus 4 we get 5, 1 minus 4 we get minus 3. So this is not a suitable pair. If we get 2 into 2, 2 plus 2, 4, and 2 multiplied 2, 4. So this is the correct pair. Now let us start the question. 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Now which two digit we are think? Replace 4 minus 4s with two digit. Two digit are 2 and 2. How to write their signs? We want minus 4. So taking minus both with both numbers, minus 2s plus 4. Minus 4s is replaced with two numbers, minus 2s minus 2s. Now after that, making the pair of first two numbers and last two numbers. First two number is 4s square minus 2s. Second is, please mind it, here is a minus. When there is a sign of minus, taking minus as common, and don't forget to change all the signs of internal terms. Here internal is minus 2s, then it becomes positive 2s, and plus 1 becomes minus 1. This is very important step. Now taking common 2s from first pair, we get 2s minus 1. Now here nothing is common, so we take 1, 2s minus 1. Now 2s minus 1 is common, we get 2s minus 1. These are two factors of quadratic polynomial 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Now we want zeros, so equating them equal to 0. If we want zeros, then equating them equal to 0. Then 2s minus 1 equals 0. We now minus 1 then goes to another side of to the equal to, then it changes their sign. So 2s equal to plus 1, s equal to 1 by 2. Similarly 2s equal to 1, in that case s is equal to 1 by 2. We get two zeros, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now sum of zeros. Sum means we add these two zeros, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. We get 2 by 2, that is 1. Now product of two zeros. Product of zeros means multiply these two numbers, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, we get 1 by 4. Now we have done the sum of zeros and product of zeros with actual zero by putting their value actual. Now we find the sum of zero and product of zero with the help of their coefficient. Now polynomial is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c. Now coefficient of x square means coefficient of s square. Here coefficient of s square is 4, a is equal to 4. Now coefficient of x b, coefficient of s minus 4, b is equal to minus 4, constant term is 1. Now sum of zeros, we know the formula minus b upon a means coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Now minus is in the formula, minus 4 is value of b, a is 4, we get 4 by 4, that is 1. Sum of 0 is 1. Now find the product of 0 with the help of coefficient, that is c upon a. C is constant term. We have constant term, c is equal to 1, a is equal to 4. With the help of coefficient we get the product of 0, 1 by 4. Now please see again, here sum of 0 is 1. We have with the help of coefficient sum of 0 is 1 and product of 0 is 1 by 4. Taking number 1 and another number 2. Both answers are same. So our verification is done. We have proved that sum of zeros and product of zeros with their actual values and their coefficient, their values are same. Now question number 2. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Please mind it, here is no, this is not a standard form of quadratic polynomial. Firstly, arrange it in standard form. We want firstly coefficient of variable power of variable is 2, then after 2 we want power of variable is 1, that is x minus 7x minus 3. Now making their factors, we want 6 3 is 18, we want multiplication 18 and difference is 7. Minus 18 multiplication or minus 7 we want after difference. In rough work we find 2 3 pairs, 9 2 18, 6 3 18, 9 2 18 and 6 3 18. The 9 2 18, we want multiplication of minus, so we have to take sign of minus with one term, either 9. So choose the term with the help of second. We want minus 7, so taking minus with the larger number, so minus 9 into 2 minus 18, minus 9 plus 2 we get minus 7. 6 and 3 is not a correct pair, so this is not suitable for us, this is suitable for us. Now again starts 6x square minus xx 7x minus 3, replacing 7x with 9 and 2. 7 is with variable x, so we put variable x with both terms. Now making pair of first 2 digit and another 2 digits number, taking common, here we want taking common 3x 2x minus 3, here taking 1 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 2x minus 3, that's mean our answer goes in right, 2x minus 3 3x plus 1. Now we have two factors, 2x minus 1 3 and 3x plus 1. Now find zeros, creating them equal to 0. We want two zeros, 2x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 2. And in second case, 3x equal to plus 1 becomes minus 1, x equal to minus 1 by 3. Now sum of zeros. Sum of zeros by adding these two zeros, 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. By taking the LCM, 3 to the 6, 9 minus 2, we get 7 by 6. And product of zeros, multiply these two numbers with 3 by 6, taking number as 1. Sum of 0 is 7 by 6 and product of 0 is minus 3 by 6. Now this we have done with this. My sum of 0 and product of 0 is done with actual. We obtain zeros, that zeros we have done with actual zeros. Now we have done sum of zeros and product of zeros with the help of their coefficient. Now coefficient 6, write down the polynomial 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is 6, b is minus 7, c is minus 3. Now sum of 0 minus b upon a. Minus b upon a means minus is in the formula, b minus 7 upon a is 6. We get 7 by 6. Now product of 0, c by a. C, here c is minus 3, a is 6. So we get product of 0 minus 3 by 6 and sum of 0 7 by 6. These answers we get with the help of their coefficient, taking number 2. Let us see. Sum of zeros with the help of actual zeros we obtained is 7 by 6 and minus 3 by 6. And sum of zeros and product of 0 with the help of coefficient is 7 by 6 and minus 3 by 6. Both answers are same. So verification is done. Thank you.